A firewall is slightly different. The process is very similar, if not identical, but the firewall is a program or a mental or thought, like intellectual construct. It's not a bundle of energy, vibrational energy. It's more like a program. So it could be words, it could be, that's how we identify them. They usually come out in very, very rational type of words. Things like, I can't do it, or this thing doesn't work for me, or I'm not able to do this by myself. All those have very words, and it's a belief. And those are programs, they're running around. And again, billions of dollars are being spent for you to integrate all these programs. And we're going to go into that in a little while. So the main difference between a firewall and a fear is one of them is an energy bundle, a really stuck energy bundle, which expresses irrationally often, sometimes without words, and emotionally. And the other one is very rational. It makes total sense in our heads, and it has words in it. It has words in it. So sometimes the firewall will move and shift into like metal shapes or blocks, or again, it could turn into fear, it could turn into other things. So we're going to follow it around and see where it goes. So why do we want to dissolve them? Basically, imagine a life where you don't have any fears that stop you, or any firewalls that stop you, right? Imagine that life. And often when we think about that, we might even start immediately feeling a fear of, whoa, if I am not afraid of anything, I might do foolish things, I might do things that are not good for me and stuff like that. And that's part of the programs, that's part of a firewall that says it's good for you to be afraid, because then you won't do things that will harm you or harm others. Now, when we are fear-free and firewall-free, we don't instantly become fools. On the contrary, we become more able to consciously make decisions that are for our benefit and for other people's benefit.